Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start now, confirm the lock model and the admin code because that determines the exact programming flow. Make sure batteries read above 20% and that you have a backup key. Next, remove the interior cover with a small screwdriver if needed and find the programming button or PIN slot. This is where you trigger setup. Once done, have your phone ready if the lock supports an app, because many steps are faster via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi pairing. Now you enter admin mode. Press the programming button or input the master PIN followed by hash, depending on your model, because this grants change permissions. Then type the new passcode. Pick 4 to 8 digits for most locks and re-enter it to confirm. You must press hash or save to finalize. Make sure to watch the LED or hear the chime that signals success, and if using an app, sync immediately so the cloud and local memory match. Finish by replacing the interior cover and testing the new code several times from both sides, because mechanical alignment can shift when reassembled. Make sure you update any shared users in the app and set auto-lock timing if needed, so behavior stays consistent. If the code fails, first swap or recharge the batteries and repeat the admin sequence. If problems persist, perform the factory reset only after you've backed up any user lists, since that erases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.